Hello my darlings and welcome. Thanks for joining me as I share a few of my favorite witchy gift ideas. Let me show you some enchanting gifts for witches, and let's do some magical crafting. The first gift I wanted to show you is some divination decor. This palmistry hand is a fun addition to any witchy shelf. And the thing I love about it is that it's left-handed, just like me. I've put links to this item, as well as all of the gift ideas, in the video description below. The next gift idea is this adjustable, charcoal-free brass incense burner. I love this burner because it uses a tea light candle instead of a charcoal tab. So it's a much cleaner and slower burn and release of scent for any incense that you have. With this burner, I can use a third of the incense and get 3 times the enchanting aroma and perfume because it's not going up in smoke immediately. This little spoonful of incense made my room smell wonderful for a half an hour, and there's no messy, ashy cleanup afterwards. As a before and after example, I created this handmade incense in a video and burned it on a charcoal tab in that video. You can see that it was quite smoky and messy. I kept having to put the incense back onto the charcoal with my tweezers, and I used quite a bit more incense. Another burner I love is this Soapstone tea light lamp. I love it because it has several uses depending on how you want to use it. I like that it has a removable dish. This is perfect for my altar to remember the dead. I can light a candle and make an offering if I use these separately. It also makes a very pretty candle lantern. The warm firelight spills out of all of these tiny holes, making a pretty pattern in a dark room. And finally, I can use it as an oil or scented wax burner to make an incense offering to deity or to scent my space without the smoke. The next item is a fun battery-powered lamp in the shape of the moon. It sits on a small wooden stand and has a small remote to control its settings. You can change the color of the moon as well as the brightness. In April, you may wish to use the pink color for your moon. In July, you could use red for the strawberry moon. And in October, you could use orange for the harvest moon. It would be fun to use this lamp during the full moon phase during your full moon rituals or for full moon journaling. You can also use the remote to set the lamp to cycle through all of the colors in 4 modes: flash, strobe, fade, or smooth. The next enchanting gift for witches is a magical crafting book. I've created a whole series of workbooks, grimoires, journals, and planners. I've created 3 blank Book of Shadows with owl, bat, and cat covers, with different borders inside each one. Each 2-page spread has a blank and a lined page, and there's a blank table of contents in the beginning to fill in as you fill in your book. I've designed 3 tarot journals as well. 2 large format journals with spaces for 3 card draws and 1 for single card draws. You could use this journal as a study tool to learn the card meanings and symbolism. The smaller journal is called A Year of Tarot, a 3-card daily draw journal. This is a smaller version of the large journal, but with many more pages, more than enough for a daily draw every day for a year. My affirmation journal contains 70 prompts, with 3 pages of journaling space dedicated to each one. This can be a great tool for any witch's personal growth journey. My shadow work journal is formatted a bit differently. There are suggested themes and prompts at the beginning of the journal, and the rest is blank-lined pages. I chose this layout specifically because I didn't want to limit the number of pages someone might use to write about each prompt. Nor did I want to have prompts on each page because some topics might not apply to everyone. My blank herbal and crystal grimoires are designed to complement each other. Their designs are similar but not exactly the same. These grimoires give you one page per herb or crystal to jot down the important correspondences for each. There's a space to include a picture in each page as well. I have also designed a spell work planner with some general guidance for designing your own spells and magical workings. This planner is more of a guide, and not all of the areas have to be filled in on each worksheet. Use only the sections that are meaningful to you in your practice. You can use this journal as an important tool and a place to record your magical workings. I've also designed a magical morning journal. In this magical morning planner, you can fill in an 8-item morning routine checklist. You can plan the day's most important task, create an affirmation or mantra for the day, write down 3 things you're grateful for each morning, and track your water and medication or vitamin and supplement intake. The next 2 gift ideas come from Holy Santo. I've been working with them for over a year, and they've given me an affiliate coupon for 10% off your purchase. I've included a link to that in the video description. The first item is this beautiful cream and gold mug. This mug comes with a loose tea diffuser ball with an amethyst crystal on the other end, and 2 silver-plated teaspoons. One side of the mug says, "Stay wild, Moonchild," and the other side is a witchy illustration. The second Holy Santo gift idea is the Witchcraft Herb Kit. It comes in a beautiful and sturdy box and includes 20 different herbs. I've had my herb kit for over a year and use it all of the time. All the herbs come in resealable bags to keep them fresh and include the correspondence of each herb on the back of the bag. I'll link to my complete unboxing video for this kit in the description below. The next item is called Ancient Greek Remedy. It's an organic blend of olive oil, lavender essential oil, almond, vitamin E, and grapeseed oils. It's an amazing moisturizer for dry skin. I've been using this for my hands almost daily, and the 4-ounce bottle has lasted me well over a year. This oil is a perfect gift for anyone who likes a lavender scent. I find the aroma very relaxing, and it makes me less anxious. So it moisturizes my hands and makes me feel calm and uplifted at the same time. This might also make a good gift for anyone who uses lavender to help them get to sleep or for dream magic. This witchy gift suggestion is the perfect addition to an herbal apothecary or for a kitchen witch's shelves. A set of 6 apothecary jars. They're the perfect size for me to store my small spell candles. But of course, there are so many ways to use these glass jars. They fit perfectly on my shelves, intermingled with my other recycled and thrifted glass jars. I hope this video has sparked some ideas for your witchy gift giving this Yuletide season, and I wish you a blessed Yule.